right, people. Welcome to the driving awesomeness of awesome.
It's the painkiller.
Yeah, it's the painkiller.
This video is presented by Painkiller.
Yeah. There's my cousin driving around. My cousin Little there. And I'm Rabbit. We're driving around like freaking crazy.
Hey guys, you ready? Watch this.
You missed it earlier. I hit my head on this thing. Uh-oh, here we go.
What freak was that?
This is the painkiller.
Okay, everybody, we're gonna move.
Hey, y'all. How's it going? Yeehaw. And this is how you drive. I almost fell out.
You almost fall out.
I was like this.
Well, dog, and
The ball. We can't go over here, remember, because the dogs.
oh,
Yep.
really? So I'm gonna go this way.
Alright, I'm getting in the back. When we get over here, just go slow. Go very slow so I don't hurt myself. Stop. Seriously. Welcome. Go. Wait. Oh!
It's okay, people. You're still there, right? Okay, we're still there. Yo, watch my real mirror.
Wait, let me watch the mirror. Yeah, you see my... Yeah. Yo, take that.
Okay, y'all. Okay, show them where we're going. We're going around that way. Show
We're
them.
going around that
Here
way.
we go. What the?
Whoa!
What did you do to it, Tyler?
I didn't do anything.
Sure you did.
Oh, well, yeah, we're about to do some stupid stuff.
It's called driving backwards, right next to the streets.
All over the place.
Driving backwards.
All over the place. All right, turn around.
Exploded diaper. Loaded diaper.
Oh, yeah, we're going for a puppy ride. Yeah, we're going for a puppy ride, people. But we are going to have some fun. See how bumpy this is? This is what happens when you have cousins.
They drive awesome.
I know.
A truck.
It's a Dakota. You can't really tell because I'm shaking it really much, but yeah.
Oh.
That's a hill.
You're shaking it.
Shut up. All right, go that way. Go straight.
This video is sponsored by
Painkiller. This is the painkiller.
I know. It's my new steering wheel, alright? It's pretty cheesy.
All right, people.
Good thing I looked.
Oh, snap. Did y'all see that?
Yo, Tyler, you gotta be a good video man.
I'm working on it, but I can't. What do you think, people? This is where I'm sitting.
Yeah. Oh, it's dancing over here. Here, let me stuff it in this cup holder. Here, hold that for me.
Hold on, people. We're gonna resume.
Y'all ready?
I'm not ready.
Uh-oh. Two guys on bikes.
Two guys on bikes.
That's the police.
Let's go.
The police is here. Yo, Popo. Oh, snap. He's turning around.
Guys, we're about to get in some serious bad problems.
Oh, no.
All right, people, look at this. That's a house. And
that's
that's...
the Popo.
Let's find the popo.
Two
The
Popos.
popos. The
And one of
police.
their dogs.
That's a police dog. It's a canine right there. You see it right there?
Always slowly.
Oh, I hit my funny bone. Very slowly. Hey, police, Grandpa. Sup? Hi.
At Grandpa's house.
What are we doing? Why are we going backwards?
I don't know. How would you ask the driver?
Hey, driver, why are you going backwards?
Ask the driver.
You are? Hey, baby, why are you going backwards? Holy crap, that's my dad's car right there. It was a Ford Freestyle. Alright, if I would have brought my beat.
Is the I think the Popo spotted us off road.
Oh man, there's two police! Two police! Ah!
How about we just park behind this truck?
I don't know. Go, 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 go! They're coming! They're coming! Go, 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 go!
It's not my fault.
Run!
The Popo's coming. Never!
In your face!
That's why you can't come off the road.
Yeah, it looks like there's another police officer too.
But he ain't doing nothing.
He's black. Just kidding.
Police.
Yeah, I'm just kidding. That's not mean. That's not mean at all. Alright, if I had my yeah, we're videotaping random cars now.
Yo, you ain't even paying attention to the front. There we go. You gotta get up close.
Alright. Hey, you're getting me wet.
Whoops. That better?
Yeah.
Oh! Oh, the Popo. The police.
The police. They gon' go do nothing.
It's the Popo.
What's going on, Popo? The Popo shut us down. But not us.
Need a ride?
Need a ride? We'll be happy to give you a ride, Kelly. Alright, she's cool. She's funny. The Popo isn't.
They saw me coming.
Don't drive slowly.
I came flying down there. I hit that little stone.
Yeah, we're gonna slowly drive away, if you know what I mean by slowly.
Slowly.
Hit it, Carl! Alright, we're going back to the front. I think I'm gonna get back in that front seat. Alright, let me get in the front.
It's my turn.
Here, you should videotape and I should drive for a little.
Okay, that's a good idea. You give me the camera and I videotape and drive.
No,
Good idea.
I'm driving.
Just go like this.
Here, let me drive. Let me drive!
I'm driving.
Here, I got this then.
You need to be a good video man. So we can put stuff on YouTube with driving.
That's what we're doing. I have a YouTube account. Yeah, I'm per Mabel 11, bitch. Hey, wait,
We're gonna
stop.
put what?
Stop the gas quick. That's how much gas we have left.
Alright.
And it was up there before.
Keep talking about that.
Yeah,
Get up
gas.
close.
I can't
Do
trust
it. It's gonna be hilarious.
Alright, that's the gas.
See it?
And that's the gas now. Floor it. And that's the gas now. Ow! I think I hurt my leg. No. See, look at it. It's so leggy.
Tyler, look at this.
It feels like zombie land
It
right
feels
now.
awesome.
Yeah, it's like careful. You almost crashed in. Look. Hey, look at that random car.
Why? No, I wasn't. See?
All right, go forward.
What the flipper cake?
Yeah,
See
we're
what
about
you
to.
did?
Yeah, look at that.
We're gonna hit it.
Yeah, we're gonna hit it.
This is the painkillers.
Do your head.
You know what we should be called? The painkillers.
Yeah, I'm gonna make a YouTube account now called Painkillers. This. Right over that cheese curl. All right, there's a cheese curl right there.
Did I crush it?
I don't know. Here, wait. You missed. All right, come back. I am. All right, come backwards. Back. All right, stop. No, you completely missed.
Okay,
Turn to the left a little.
I'm backing up so I can see it.
All right, you missed it. Come, turn a lot more. Good, right there. Now come. Yeah, go that way. Yeah. All right. I hope he does. Stay that way. Go, yeah. Bye, driver.
Hey! Yo, keep looking at me. Look at me, Todd.
Don't break. I don't.
Okay.
Don't go in reverse either. Yeah, I just drove in. I mean, jumped in. Here.
You gotta. Oh yeah, that's right.
All right. Start.
This is my retarded cousin trying to jump into my vehicle. The first time he hit the windshield.
Yeah, I went.
With his ice cream. So did his ice cream. His ice cream cracked.
And it cried like a big bat baby.
Yo, we should go to the pool again.
Yeah, we're going to the pool. No more
No,
videos.
you're taking this thing in there.
All right.
You're biking
All right,
it.
bye. Say bye.
Remember the name of the